just a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I went shopping yesterday and I also bought some fruit because I think I'm down to my last jar of pineapples. So I'm going to be carrying some pineapples up, and I thought I'll do a fruit salad. So I bought a selection of fruit for me to use, and then attacked my books and had a look at my books when I got home to see how each one needs canning. Now, I'm also a member of Sutton's Days Facebook page, and I listed the fruits I've got, and they advised me that melons are not something to be canned as there's a density issue. So that's gone. Well, not gone, but be used in another way. Pineapples I can can up, and I have done a video on canning pineapples. Blueberries, all berries seem to be the same. It's an extra light or a light syrup that they need to go in. Apples, and they can be water bath canned in a syrup again. Plums need a medium syrup, so I can do a medium syrup, and that'll do for everything. Might be a bit sickly, but well, I can always use the syrup and put it into a wine to help sweeten a wine up when it's brewing. So that's what I'm going to do at the moment, is just cut the fruit up and then can it. Right, I've just canned pineapple and I've got some left, and so to that, I thought this was moving then. To the pineapple I've added blueberries, plums. I've de-petted the plums and put I think there was 8 plums altogether, and about 4 of the sweet clam oranges, and I tried to take off as much as the white as possible. I'm going to be adding apple to it, but until my jars are more or less ready, I aren't going to bother peeling them yet, so I'm going to add some of my apples to it, and then I'll also make up a medium sugar syrup. Although everything doesn't really need it apart from the plums, I'm going to err on the side of caution and put a medium syrup in. So the plum, I know the plums will be alright. Everything else would be alright with a lighter one, but I'll have a medium one because of the plums. So as soon as my jars are boiled and sterilised, I will make up the medium syrup and add peeled cored apples. Now my jars have been in here sterilising for about 15 minutes on a rolling boil. This is my medium weight sugar water. So what I'm going to do now is empty the fruit into it. That's all the fruit, but not the apples. The apples are here. They've been sitting in lemon water, so they are going in now. There's about 5 apples. They're only small. They're off my little patio tree. but it's produced a lot this year. So just when I thought I'd done with apples, I've got more. So I'm going to let that heat up for a while, make sure all the fruit is heated through, and then jar it up. Now the sugar water with all the fruit in it is coming back to a boil. As soon as it's boiled, I'll leave it for a couple of minutes, make sure everything gets heated through, and then jar it up with the simple syrup, leaving about ½ inch headspace, and put it in the water bath canner. There's the last jar. It's not quite full, but it's going in, and you can see how pink the sugar water's gone. Now I'll bring this back up to a boil. Make sure you have at least 1 inch headspace over the top of your jars. So I get my debubbler that has got my grades, and I know if I go up here I am 1 inch. So if I put it on, and I am above 1 inch over the top of my jars. But if I needed extra boiling water, because I use tattlers and boiler tattlers, I've got boiling water to just top it up with. Now, majority of the things in here require 15 minutes boil bath, but the plums require 20. So you always choose the one with the higher amount and do it for that. So these are getting done for 20 minutes. There is the small amount of canning I've been doing today. 4 ½ pint jars of pineapple and 4 pint jars of fruit cocktail, and you can see the one at the front is the one that's it wasn't full to capacity. I just topped it up with the sugar water. But they'll do us for an afters, or the 2 of us, or for me for a couple of days with yogurts. So, thank you. Bye.
It's a